Hey guys, welcome back to CS Corner. Guys, in this video, I'm going to show you how to download and set up OpenClaw on your Windows operating system. This is a detailed video where I'm going to show you everything starting from downloading, installing, and what command, what setting is to be done. All thing I'm going to show you step by step. So do watch video till end, guys. So guys, let's start the video. You can open any of your favorite browser and herein guys you can simply search OpenClaw. And now here you can see the official website. You need to simply click on this link. Now it will redirect you to this website and here you can see it's showing message OpenClaw, the AI that actually does the thing. And here you can see it's showing me it clears your inbox, sends email, manages your calendar, checks you in flight. So guys, now we will start installing this OpenClaw. So for that you need to just scroll down and here you can see it's showing quick start one-liner. So here it's showing command, one-liner command which you can run in your PowerShell or on your command prompt. So this is going to work for Windows and other operating system also. So I just want to run this on command prompt. So I'm simply clicking on this CMD and I'm simply copying this command. And now guys, I'm going to Windows search and typing CMD. And here this command prompt, I'm starting in administrator mode. So just select run as administrator. So it will start your command prompt and now whatever command you have copied, simply paste it. So Control V you can do and here you can see OpenClaw installer it is showing and after that it has shown me error that Git is not available. So for this Git is required. So now let's install the Git. So again I'm just going to my browser and here I'm simply typing install Git and here I'm just taking this website, official website. I'm clicking on the link. And now here it's asking me to choose your operating system. So I'm just selecting Windows operating system. And here you can see we have a link for downloading Git Bash for Windows operating system. So I'm going to simply click here to download. And guys, it will download Git Bash. So let's click on this exe to start the installation. I'm closing my browser guys. Here it is asking me permission. I'm just clicking on yes button and now here it's showing me license. So I'm going to click on next button. And now this is the destination location where your Git Bash will be installed. If you want to change, click on browse button. I'm keeping default and clicking on next button. And now here if you want to create a shortcut on desktop, you can just select the first option. Now guys, click on next button and here also it's showing start menu. Click on next button. Now choosing the default editor used by Git, here from drop down we are going to select VS Code as default editor. So just select this option, use Visual Studio Code as Git's default editor and click on next button. So guys, here for branch name we have two options, override or the let Git decide. So I'm going to select let Git decide and I'm going to click on next button. And here adjusting your path environment. So again I'm keeping the default one and clicking on the next button. Now choosing the SSH executable, again I'm keeping the default one and clicking on next button. And then HTTPS transport backend, keep the default and click on next button. So many of the things you have to keep default and go on clicking next button. Here also keep the default one guys, that is configuring the line. So next button, configuring the terminal emulator, keep the default one and click on next button. And now here also keep the default one and click on next button. Choose a credential helper, keep the default, click next button. Configuring extra option, enable file system caching, that is keep the default and click on install button guys. So it will start installing your Git Bash Okay, so now here you can see it's showing me git bash installation is done, and we have two options, readme file and launch the git bash. So I'm just unchecking readme file and I'm just launching git bash. Git bash is started, so I'm simply going to close this. So now guys, I'm going back to my command prompt and I'm running the command again. Okay, it's showing me error because I need to do this on new command prompt. So I'm simply closing this command prompt and going to start a fresh command prompt. So simply again search in Windows search and open with administrator mode this command prompt and paste your code and hit enter guys, and you can see the installation process has been started. Here it's showing me OpenClaw installer and showing installing OpenClaw. Okay, so it will detect your operating system and accordingly it will start installing. So now guys, here you can see OpenClaw installed successfully. It's showing me this message and showing starting setup. So now it has started OpenClaw, and below you can see it's showing certain onboarding security message. So you can just see all this security message. Here it's showing that security warning, please read. OpenClaw is a hobby project and it is still in beta version. So expect sharp edge. This bot can read all your files and run all the actions if the tools are enabled. So if you give bad prompt, then it can do unsafe things. Okay, so unlike like your other AI, its same security message has been shown, and some recommendation baseline has been shown that you can run it in sandbox, and also it is showing that you run this command regularly. OpenClaw security audit, deep and fix. Okay, so these are certain security message it's showing, and then we have what I understand is powerful and inherently risk, whether you want to continue or no. So here yes or no option is enabled. So here you have to select everything through key. Okay, arrow keys. So now yes and no, by default no is highlighted, so you can just through your arrow key you can just change the option and select yes and hit enter. Now onboarding mode, quick start and manual. So here we are going to select manual. Now here it's showing model or auth provider. So various provider has been shown, OpenAI, Anthropic, and so many model has been shown over here. Just press down arrow keys and you can see there is a option. Just move down here and see there is option skip for now. So just come back to that option and hit enter guys. Here it's showing all the provider, so we will just hit enter and default model. So these are the default model which you can use, but I'm going to select manual, enter model manually. So now default model name it is showing. I'm just going to delete that and I'm going to enter my model name. So here I'm just entering Ollama /test. This is model name. You can give any name. Later on we will be installing Ollama and we will be connecting with that. Right now we are just giving any name to this model. So Ollama /test, that is my model name which I have given, and I'm simply hitting enter guys over here. Okay, so this model check will be done over here and it's showing model now not found. Of course we don't have such model. And now select the channel. So I'm not going to select any channel right now. So again I'm going to select skip for now option. If you want to select any of the channel you can select, but right now I'm not selecting. I'm just going to do it everything manually. So here just select skip for now and press enter, and now here it's showing updated workspace session and all the detail has been shown. So guys, here it's showing me updated and this is the file. It's showing me openclaw.json. This is important file. I will be showing you this later on. Workspace it is showing okay, as well as session it is showing okay, and below it's showing web search and search provider. So I'm going to select skip for now in search provider and going to hit enter. and then it shows skill status, and here some information has been shown and asking configure skills now. So I'm going to select no, and then here it's showing hooks and enable hooks. Enable hooks, again I'm going to select skip for now. As soon as I enter, it's showing me message, please select at least one option, press space to select and enter to submit. So we need to just press space key and then hit enter button. So let me do that. So I'm just doing pressing space key and hitting enter button. So now here it's showing me gateway service runtime, and it has shown me configure override and installing gateways. Here you can see it's showing different messages, health checkup, and here gateway target and configuration file it's showing. So this is openclaw.json. I'm simply going to copy this path and I'm just pasting this path in window plus R. So you can see here I'm just getting this OpenClaw folder, and under that I have a file openclaw.json, and I'm going to open this JSON file in my VS Code, and I'm going to show you the code of this. So here you can see we have token. So whenever you are running OpenClaw, a token is created. So you can see that token is stored in openclaw.json file. And also you can see model, it's showing me my model name Ollama/test is also there. Okay, so I'm just closing this and I'm going back to command prompt, and here we have control UI. Okay, so if you copy and paste this URL on your web browser, then you will be able to get your OpenClaw. So simply do not just copy web UI, you need to copy web UI with token. Okay, so I'm going to copy this and I'm going back to my Chrome browser, and simply I'm pasting this in one of the tab. And herein guys, you can see OpenClaw has been started. Start option you can see, and here we have agents. I'm just selecting agents and you can see we are getting Ollama/test, right? So now if you try to chart, you won't be able to get anything. You will be getting error. So here it's showing different option. So if you want, you can read all this. Now what we are doing, onboarding complete. Here it's showing, if you scroll down, it is showing onboarding complete and dashboard open. Keep that tab to control OpenClaw. So backside you can see the gateway is open. We should not close this gateway, otherwise your OpenClaw will stop working. At a time we can run one gateway. So here my Ollama test, you can see agent model name and other details it's showing over here, right? So now I'm going to install Ollama and we are going to configure that with this OpenClaw. So I'm going back to my browser and simply I'm searching Ollama, and here I'm getting the official website. I'm just clicking on it and now I'm getting this command. Okay, we have option for installing this Ollama through a command, or we can also click on this download Ollama button on operating system. You have to select the tab. I'm selecting Windows and I'm clicking download for Windows, and you can see guys the exe file has been downloaded. I'm now clicking on this button and Ollama installation has been started. So guys, here I'm clicking on this exe, so it's showing me this page. I'm going to click on install button. It will install Ollama. Once the installation is done 100%, you can see here it's showing me loading. So model will be loaded over here and you can chat it with after signing in. So now here my model has been loaded. You can see we have various models available. Some are cloud based and some are available offline. So you can select whatever you want. I'm just selecting this particular model, DeepSeek model. So now for chatting or for sending messages, we need to sign in. So I'm going to click on this sign in button, and here I'm going to click on continue with Google. So this here you need to provide your Google account detail, and then it will show you this page. Just click on connect button, and then you will see the message device connected successfully. Okay, so once you are done with this, you can go back again to Ollama and you can type whatever command you want over there, and you can see now you will be getting your output. Okay, so using a DeepSeek model, we are getting this output on Ollama. Even you can open a command prompt and you can check out whether Ollama is working properly or not. So Ollama space hyphen version, so it's working properly. Now let's go back to Chrome again, and there we will see how to launch this OpenClaw using Ollama. So here on documentation, we will be scrolling down and there is option OpenClaw. So just click on that, and then we have command Ollama launch OpenClaw. So we will copy this code and we will go back and open a command prompt. So, but before that, we need to close this gateway. So because this gateway is connected with Ollama/test model, so we have to just close this. So before closing, just stop your gateway. So Control C, and it will ask you terminate batch job. Yes, and then close this. Okay, so now here open a command prompt in administrative mode, and I'm going to type Ollama space launch space OpenClaw, or you can paste it. So now I'm going to paste the command, and here you can see guys, it's showing model for OpenClaw, and these are the recommended model like Minimax and GLM, Kimi, and so many models are there. Also DeepSeek model it is showing over here. Okay, so I'm not going to select DeepSeek, I'm going to select the recommended one. So again, through arrow keys, I'm selecting this Minimax and I'm going to hit enter guys. So now here it's asking yes or no option. So I'm going to select yes and I'm going to hit enter. Okay, so it's showing download Minimax M2 cloud. So yes, we want to download, so it will fetch the file, and then it's asking proceed. Yes, we want to proceed, so again select S and hit enter. And now launching OpenClaw with Minimax cloud model. So now it will open a gateway with this particular model. And guys, it is done. Now if you go back to your Chrome OpenClaw tab, and there you can see now the agent name, it's showing Ollama/Minimax. Okay, instead of Ollama/test. That means it has connected with that particular model. And now if you go back to chat option, you can type whatever you want. So here I'm just typing a simple prompt over here. So you can see my prompt is running successfully. Now I'm trying to run some other prompt, like I just want to show that yes, it can control your PC also. So I'm just typing run notepad or open notepad, and you can see guys, it has started notepad. Now I'm just typing another command that start a YouTube and in that start CS Corner Sunita Rai channel. So it's doing that also. And at the background guys, you can see whatever command it is running, it is displaying over there. Okay, so setup of OpenClaw is done successfully. So that's all guys, I conclude this video. In this video I have shown you how to set up your OpenClaw on your Windows operating system. So that's all for this video. So I hope guys you really like this video, and by following my video you are able to successfully set up OpenClaw on your system. So guys, if my video has helped you, don't forget to hit on like button and share my video with your friend as much as possible. And guys, I'm there on different social media. You can follow me or join my different channels. All the link of my social media is in description box. You can follow me from there. I have my website also. Lots of tutorials are available over there. You can simply go through that tutorial if you required. And guys, very important for me is your subscription. Guys, if you feel this video is worth watching, then don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon to receive notifications from my channel. Thank you guys for watching this video. I'll see you in my next video. Till that, bye bye. Take care, keep watching and keep learning, guys.